Welcome back, everyone. Today's video shows a moment that proves exactly why knowing your rights matters. Before you judge, watch the footage. Before you comment, understand your rights. And before this video ends, ask yourself, would this have happened if the camera wasn't rolling?
How you doing? Are you a sergeant? Sarge?
Yeah.
How you doing?
What's up?
Can I just get your names and badge numbers, please?
Yep, my name is Lauren Strong, badge number 34.
34?
Yep.
Awesome.
Jones 118.
Nice.
McConaughey 139.
Okay, and who's that? Who's that?
Marcus McMahon.
What is it?
McMahon.
McMahon.
I don't know his
Okay.
badge.
Why are there 4 officers here for a camera? First of all.
She's being trained by me.
Oh, okay. Good. That's always good. Are you a field training?
Yes.
Nice, man.
Yeah, so consider it 3. I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah. All right.
For manning
3.5.
Yeah.
All right. So first of all, they said we were on the property. We're not on the property.
Okay.
There's no trespassing signs, but that's irrelevant. I know where the property lines are. 2, okay, that's a false police report. All right. And 3, they never asked us to leave.
Okay.
That's everything that was on the radio is a complete lie. All right. And I think you guys need to do something about that.
Okay.
False police report or something. All right. Because now you guys are coming with 3, 4 officers. Okay. And it's ridiculous. For somebody that's never been on the property, you're being lied to, they're wasting resources, and I'm not even committing a crime. I mean, I'm not doing anything except recording. I heard the radio, First Amendment auditors. If that's how you want to label me, that's fine. But I don't see what the issue is here. I don't know what they told you inside, but from what I'm telling you, I have everything on camera. And I don't know if he's the one who called or not, but...
Are you the landlord?
I'm one of the owners.
Or the owners?
This opening segment immediately hooks the audience by framing the encounter as an example of police bending the law and relying on false reports to pressure civilians into unlawful compliance. The narrator sets a strong tone, promising to show both police misconduct and how easily officers can be corrected when civilians know their rights. The call to action builds engagement before the scene cuts directly into a live police interaction. Multiple officers arrive, including a sergeant, instantly raising tension and curiosity. The auditor calmly requests names and badge numbers, establishing confidence and control from the start. Viewers are quickly drawn into the situation as the auditor questions why 4 officers were dispatched for someone simply holding a camera, signaling that something doesn't add up.
You can just stand over there for now. I'll talk to you after.
Yeah, so... McMahon? Right? Is that
Yeah,
McMahon?
yep,
Okay,
yep.
sorry.
Yep.
So, yeah, I don't know what your deal is. I don't know what you guys... I don't know. I mean, we're not doing anything illegal, are we?
So talking to them, this is all private property, including the road.
So this is a private drive, private way.
Correct.
Yeah, which is publicly accessible to walk through. 100%.
But
No,
it's private, and they have sensitive information inside of this building.
I'm not in the
That's-
building. I'm not strong. I'm not in the building. Look, okay, I know the laws. I know the rights, okay? This is a publicly accessible road. It is a private way or a private drive. I get it. I understand that. But there's public access from each end of the road that does not say private property. And it doesn't say private drive. Okay? It is publicly accessible to walk up and down this road all day long as I don't go on their physical property. The other difference between public property and a private drive, okay, is that they are to take care of the gas lines and utilities on the road, not the city. That's the only difference. So I do have rights to be on this road as long as I'm not on their property.
So I totally understand where you're coming from.
Yeah.
Correct. But the information I'm getting from them, that this is a private road. And they
Then
don't
look at
want-
the GIS surveys because I already have.
Okay, but they don't want you here.
I'm not on their property. I'm not on their property.
You guys are gonna have to leave.
We're going to have to get off this road, this public road.
It's not a public
It's
road.
this
a
private
way.
drive. Okay, do you have a lieutenant?
Private way.
Do you have a lieutenant?
I can
I
call
suggest you
lieutenant.
get him out here.
You want a lieutenant here?
100%. Yeah, because you're going to make a big mistake. I'm telling you right now.
Give me a second. Let me make a phone
Yeah,
call.
look up your laws. Okay, look up the public ways and private drives. This is good for you. Seriously, I've already been down this, not this road, but down this road before. I'm not here to escalate anything either, but I'm not going to walk off of a road that I have every right to be on. Okay? As long as I'm not staying in place, I can go up and down this. Do you know how many? So if I drive down this road, I'm trespassing? Is that what you're saying? Then why do I see school buses and Ubers and a whole bunch of other normal everyday citizens driving their car down this road and not getting stopped every day?
So from what I have so far,
Yeah.
talking to the staff, it's just the fact that you guys are out here, stopped here, filming into the building.
But I have every right to do that, man.
But all I'm telling you is that's their concern. That's just what I'm telling you.
They were taking pictures of me too.
I have haven't said that you've
I didn't call you guys for it.
I haven't said you've done anything wrong. I'm just telling you what he
Oh,
said.
apparently you guys are telling me that I am and that I need to leave the property. Or this publicly accessible drive.
What we're trying to do is
This segment contains the core confrontation and rising tension. The auditor directly challenges the officers, stating that the information given over the radio was false, including claims of trespassing and refusal to leave. He explains clearly that he is standing on a publicly accessible roadway, not private property, and backs his argument with legal reasoning about public access, right-of-way, and utilities. Officers appear uncertain and rely heavily on what the property owners told dispatch, despite the auditor having everything documented on camera. The discussion intensifies as police suggest he must leave, while simultaneously admitting he can legally drive on the same road. The auditor firmly but calmly refuses to comply with unlawful demands, even stating he is willing to take an arrest to challenge it legally.
trying to just civilly come to a resolution.
Me too. But I'm not gonna, I'm telling you right now, dude, I will take the arrest if you guys are wrong.
You what?
I will take the arrest if you guys are wrong.
Okay.
And I mean, if I have to challenge it, I will.
Okay.
The other thing is, you guys telling us to leave was our first warning.
Well,
Nobody else told us to leave.
we'll talk to the lieutenant.
Okay.
We'll talk to the LT. You know who would have it is Town Hall or City Hall. They'd have the GIS.
Okay.
How you doing? I got the name from them, but can I have it from you, please?
McMahon,
And badge number?
41.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Alright, so unfortunately no lieutenant is able to come down right now.
Okay.
So you can go to the police station and file a report if that's something that you want to do.
What kind of report am I filing? I don't have anything to
Well,
report.
you just said you wanted to talk to a lieutenant.
Well, yeah, but I'm not going to be pushed off of this drive. That. Do you know how many cars I said earlier today were driving up and down this road? Why are they allowed to? So I could drive up and down this road, but I can't walk on this road?
Motel 6 is going to be in the lobby. The mail party stating that somebody stole his wallet out of his room last night from 207. But he is in the lobby. What's your pleasure?
Officer Story, you'll be able to take that?
Look, I'm not here to take any more of your resources, okay? But you got to understand one thing,
State my pleasure.
okay? That 100,000 cars drive up and down this road every single day, okay? And they don't work here either.
Like I said, I'm just trying to be the middle.
But do you understand what I'm saying?
Nope, and I do. I'm
So,
just trying
so am I allowed to drive down this road?
Nope, you are 100%.
So I could walk down it too?
So you're saying you're not trying to.
Come on, I mean, think about it.
No, and I completely understand where you're coming from, right?
It's a right of way.
Nope, and I get that.
Okay.
So,
Oh, you get that? Okay,
Nope,
so
I
she
do.
understands
Nope,
that.
I understand that.
Okay.
So, like I said, I'm talking to the owners of this building.
Yeah.
They're saying, obviously, private property.
I'm not going on it.
Yep.
I haven't even touched the grass.
Correct. Like I said, you're saying they didn't ask you to leave, right?
No.
So this is me asking you, can you please leave for that?
Is that a lawful order? Or are you asking me?
I'm asking you, can you
No.
leave?
If you're asking me and not giving me a lawful order, I'm going to respectfully decline.
Okay.
But I will be out of here in a few minutes.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Like I said, just don't go near the building, please.
Look, Strong, please don't. I haven't been on the property before you came, and I'm not going to go on the property after. I understand that. Or else I would have been on the property already.
Okay.
Okay? I mean, come on. You guys know what I'm doing here.
Like I said, I just wanted to be a voice for them and see if you guys wanted to leave. If
You know,
guys
they
wanted to
could've-
stand over here like you guys were, then that's fine.
They never asked us. This is the problem here, okay? You need to understand. You got called out here, okay, for a false call. They said that we were on the property, never stood on the property.
Okay.
They said that they asked us to leave, never asked us to leave, okay? That is a false police report. I don't know what you want to do about it, but that's some serious because if it's as petty as this, imagine what other people are calling about, okay? Come on.
Okay, I get that. Like I said, you guys just don't go on their property, okay? If you
So-
guys want to stand across there, then that's fine.
I will walk against traffic like I'm legally able to do.
Okay, that's fine.
I know it
Alright,
is.
If you want to file a report and talk to someone of higher rank, you may go down to the.
I might have to, and I'm only saying that because these calls are ridiculous. They can't be doing that. They're escalating a call into something that's not true. Okay? I'm just saying, like,
Yeah, we have to just come down and confirm the validity.
I
That's what we did.
I have nothing wrong with you guys responding to a call, okay? It just depends on what they tell dispatch, and dispatch tells you. And if they're lying to dispatch, that means that dispatch is now lying to you. All right? And you could take action, possibly take action on a criminal act that has never happened. That's why I record everything. Everything. Because this whole time we've been out here, I've never even touched this. This is as close as I've ever been, and only because you're here, I touched it. So you need to talk to them, or you need to talk to your lieutenant, because I am going to be filing a report. And I really hope you guys do something about it.
Okay, that's fine.
So, do you guys have business cards?
I do not.
No business cards? No? At least directing traffic. Wow, man.
All right, so.
So all of a
you guys
sudden,
need anything
I could be
else,
here, right,
okay?
Strong? Because
Like
I
said,
challenged it.
I was just being you weren't challenging.
I did challenge
I
it. You
was-
told me to keep it moving.
Yeah, because they want you to keep it moving. So
No, but
I
you
was
told me to keep it moving. They didn't tell me to keep it moving.
It's all good.
No. So now all of a sudden, because I'm challenging you and your authority and testing you, I'm okay to stand here now?
In the final segment, the officers attempt to de-escalate without admitting wrongdoing. They clarify that the auditor is being asked, not ordered, to leave, effectively conceding they lack legal authority. The auditor respectfully declines, reiterating that no lawful order has been given and that the original call was based on false information. As the officers back away, the contradiction becomes obvious. The auditor is suddenly allowed to stand where moments earlier he was told to move. Frustration and disbelief are evident as the police disengage without enforcement. The video ends with a strong commentary explaining how police rely on public ignorance, accept false reports, and prioritize compliance over the law. The closing message reinforces the importance of recording police and knowing your rights.
Really? Is that how this works?
Do you have anything else you want to report?
No, I think you guys are all set.
Thank you.
Stay safe. Don't get hit by
You
a
too,
car
sir.
if you're going to be in the street.
Look,
All right,
man. Tell him that. He's more in the street than I am.
Okay, he's
Dude, I'm not 5 years old, dude. I got
know
2
that.
kids, okay?
Okay, I'm just trying to be nice to
Don't.
you, that's all. But
I get it.
if you don't want that,
I appreciate it. Have a good one. Unbelievable. Incredible.
Still lying.
Incredible. That was a fail. That's a walk of shame and a half. I ain't walking shame. They are.